I'm Jennifer with Level 10 Speakers, and I am here with Mike Lindstrom. He is a leading expert in the financial services and insurance industries. Mike, how you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for having me, Jennifer.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining us. So, hey, I want to really get to know who you are and what you have to offer. I want to give our audience something and some insights to you. So I'm going to ask you a few questions if that's okay.
Yep, that sounds great.
Fantastic. Well, first, tell us briefly how you got started in the financial services and insurance industries.
Well, it's kind of funny. It actually happened by accident. I started speaking, my professional speaking career in 1998. After graduating from law school, I was working as a national speaker working for Anthony Robbins. I started my own company, and I started working with all kinds of Fortune 500 companies. And I just happened to speak at a conference in 2001 in Southern California. The company happened to be Guardian Life Insurance, and I was speaking to the top producers, literally the top producers at their company, and I had several people come up to me asking for coaching services, and of course the financial services industry and the insurance industry are very intertwined. Everybody kind of knows everybody, and from that one single conference in 2001, my business exploded in the next 24 months, both in the financial space and in the insurance space. And now I've fast forward to 2013, I've worked with over 25 of the top major carriers, even brokers in the industry, and on the financial side, top 7 to 10 over the last 12 years. So it's been kind of a nice evolution. I didn't expect that when I was brought in 2001 that I would fall into the industry, but what I've learned from it is learning directly from these top producers and leaders within these industries what they do to be successful, and I've modeled my curriculum from my clients dating back to 2001.
That's incredible. So I was just going to ask you how you developed your success strategies and your curriculum for this specific industry.
Well, it started really in that conference in 2001 when I was listening to these top producers speak on the platform about what they do. I mean, there's no secret in success. People doing certain things consistently. And it was funny. It was around 2005, 2006 timeframe. I've been coaching and working with big companies. And at the time, I happened to be looking at my one-on-one coaching roster. And I literally had 5 top producers from 5 different companies at the same time that I was coaching. So I decided to kind of flip the script in the coaching and say, instead of me being the coach, let them coach me and tell me what is it that you all do in common to make you wildly successful. And these are 5 people from 5 different companies, so and they're from 5 different parts of the country. You had men and women, varying ages, mostly parents. But their numbers that these people were producing were astronomical. So I figured I can model and duplicate some of their success strategies and develop it into a curriculum and then kind of bottle it and then go out and sell it to companies that I'd have a product. And that's kind of how it's evolved itself to today.